You can create a view in any of the blank sections of any screen on the console. In these sections you will see a series of small white dots. These dots are the corners of squares. To create your first view, simply click in the center of one of the squares. This will pop up a window that shows you the choices available. The first tab are Sheets. These are lists of information about channels, fixtures or sequences. You also have DMX sheet and an RDM view as well. Pools are grids of tiles where you can store effects, groups, macros and other similar things. The next tab is Presets. These are your preset palettes of positions, gobos, colors, focus, dimmer intensity, every aspect of using your lights. Playbacks are all to do with the output side of the console. Other are different views that could be of use to you, for example the clock, the smart view or the stage view. The final tab is System. These are all system items related to the console. Most importantly in System is Help. This is the user manual for the grandMA2, well worth knowing very early on. You can move screens around by clicking on the title at the top of the screen. You can resize a screen by clicking on the tab in the lower right corner. The same applies to pull views. Grab the title, not the yellow ball, and drag it. Click on the tab in the lower right corner and drag it to resize. To get rid of a single view, click the yellow ball to open up Settings and press Delete Window in the top corner. Now a few tips to help you build screens quickly and easily. To build a column, click in the top right hand corner. Now you quickly and easily have a column of items that you can move around. To build a row, click in the lower left corner. Now you have a row of items. To make a full screen view, click in the top left hand corner. You now have a full screen view. Wherever you click on the screen, it will automatically fill out to the lower right corner, meaning that you can decide the size of your views before you create them to save you having to resize them after you have created the screen. Once you've created your view, you can store it. Press the Store key and then press one of the blank keys down the right hand side of the screen. This will allow you to name your view and also to include other screens in the same view key. For example, if I select screens 2, 3 and 4, when I recall this view, it will bring back the contents of all 3 screens at the same time. I'm just going to store one screen for now. Press Please when you're done and you'll see it stored with a preview of the screen in the corner. To clear a screen, you can either go to a blank space and press the Clear Screen button, or on a console you can press the encoder key. Once this is pressed, a series of buttons will appear in the lower right corner of every screen. You have a Clear All Screens button and a Clear Screen button to clear this individual screen. You have space to create a number of screens. Additionally, there are view pages. Press and hold the MA button and you'll see you have a series of view page buttons on here. Now I have a second page of views. Even just on screen 2 alone, I can access 100 separate screens, 10 pages of 10 views. In a moment you'll be asked to create your own views as part of the task. We recommend you create as many views as you possibly can. The more views you have, the easier the console is to interact with.